Okay, in this video, let's build a program that can calculate our BMI. Okay, we use data type double, and we say BMI, height, and weight. After that, we print F. We prompt the user to enter their height. Let's say in meter. Then we get the value from user. We store their height in height variable. After that, we prompt the user again to enter their weight. In kilogram. So get the value from the user, and we store the value in weight variable. After that, we do the calculation, and the formula is BMI equal to kilogram over divided by height to the power of 2. Okay. Then we print the BMI. Let's say we take 2 decimal places. Okay, done. Let's run this program. Okay, I want to say, let's say my height is 1.7 meter and my weight is 60 kilogram. So my BMI is 20.76.